Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok video as mobile wallpaper. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner and then you need to select any of your video. And once you select, you simply need to click on three dots and scroll in the bottom and click on set as wallpaper, and then you need to install wallpaper plugin. Then you need to click on install, and then you need to install TikTok video wallpaper by TikTok. And once it is installed, let me show you the next process. So it is installed, and once it is installed, okay, open that application, open TikTok to set wallpaper, and then you need to click on this, and now it is downloading, and then you need to click on set as wallpaper, and in the bottom you will click, and if you want to preview you can click on preview. So you can see that this is the video, and in the bottom you will find the option of set wallpaper. Click on that option and you will find two options: home screen and lock screen. You can decide which one you like. So this is the process by which you can set TikTok video as your mobile wallpaper. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.